we're going to do with this little lesson, and it's only a quick one, is put some distortion on the guitar. That's an E, by the way. I'm just using one finger across these two strings here and just playing the top three strings. So I'm not playing the whole thing, just playing the top two. Okay, now this is a bit of lead work which is in D, and I don't know whether you can do this or not, but yeah, it's not easy, is it? But watch my fingers closely. That's a bend, and what we're trying to get to is this note, but with this string. That'll take a bit of doing if you've never bent a note before, but whoops. Go slow, alright? It's a little riff that I get beginners to learn because it's moving frets, it's got some hammer-ons, and it's got your first bend. And it's in the middle of the guitar, so it should be easier to bend your string there than down here, which will be very hard, and up here, which is, it's fiddly, okay? So if you can learn to bend your G string, and you're aiming for that note. So I'll do that again.